Perry and Kim Coulter have one of the only century farms left on the island. Perry has been working and living on this farm his entire life.
Now, my great-grandfather was located here back in 1875. And I'm the fourth generation, and well, at the moment, the fifth one is standing over yonder.
What kind of stuff do you grow here?
Well, my dad was mainly, well, a lot of his life, he had cattle, of course, and he had a flock of sheep. I've just got cattle, and most years I've bought a pair of young pigs and raised them for meat in the fall.
And our chickens.
Well, yeah, I got some chickens too. There's, I guess, close to a dozen here.
And the horse.
And, well, yes.
Perry, what do you think it takes to be a farmer?
You got to have a lot of determination and certainly not be economical on ambition. As both of you know, I put in 43 years over at the high school. And that was, it's taken the high school income to basically keep this place afloat.
Canadian Agriculture Day is February 23rd. Have you heard of Agriculture Day before?
Well, I can't truthfully say that I have, but I presume that the idea behind it is a day to, well, basically to try and teach you folks about agriculture, to promote, yeah. That's what I presume the intent is.
Your food doesn't come from the grocery store.
Exactly. You take 99.9% of the population has no clue that their food comes from anywhere other than the grocery store.
Support Canadian agriculture on February 23rd. Think about where your food comes from and thank a local farmer. For On TV, I'm Josie Fegan.